Right, we're looking at reading and writing numbers in standard form, and one of the things with standard form is it's always times 10 to the power something, right? And the number that's multiplied by 10 to the power something has got to be between 1 and 10. Now, it can't actually be 10, it could be 9.999999 forever, right? But it's easier for me to say 10. It can be 1 though. So here we go. You'll often hear people say something like, so if I go 72000, right, at the moment the decimal point is here. Now if I move it one space that way, right, when I say I move it, I'm actually shifting all the numbers one space to the right in this case. But to illustrate it nice and easily, I'm actually going to look like I'm moving the decimal point, but we all know decimal points don't really move. I've got the number, instead of 720,000, I've got 72,000. So that's not between 1 and 10. So I've got to keep it going. I'm just going to rub out that initial one there. And I need to go, well, that's not between 1 and 10, nor's that, nor's that, nor's that. Ah, now it is. Okay, so I've shifted all the numbers. How many places to the right I've shifted them? Well, I can count the lumps, can't I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, very big numbers have positive powers of 10. So that one would be 7.2, a number between 1 and 10, times 10 to the power 5. Okay, as in standard form. Now, as far as very small numbers go, we're going to do pretty much the same thing. I've got 0.00093. And this time I'm going to be moving all the numbers, I'm going to be shifting all the numbers to the left, but it looks like I'm moving the decimal point to the right. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 9.3 is a number between 1 and 10. Now how many spaces have I shifted, how many place values as it were have I shifted all the numbers, or how many spaces have I moved the decimal point? Well, it's gone 1, 2, 3, 4. Now very small numbers have a negative power of 10. So there you go, so that would be 9.3 to the negative 4. Now if you're very clever, you might spot the fact that 1, 2, 3, 4, I have got 4 zeros out the front, as it were, of the original number, and look, I've got -4 as my power. You may spot a pattern later on. Don't want to ruin it for you though. Now, writing as a normal number, as it were, okay, I'm going to be doing the opposite. I'm going to be shifting all the numbers the opposite way. So I've got to shift all the numbers 3 place values up. So the 3 at the moment is in the units. Right, I've got to shift it to tens, one place value, then hundreds, another place value, then thousands. So we get 3, 4, 1, 0. Now again, you can look at it as moving the decimal point. Again, remember the decimal point doesn't actually move. So we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I fill the gap with a 0. Same sort of thing with this. Now I've got 5.4 times 10 to the -6. The numbers are moving the opposite way, so we're going to go that way 6 times. Now, as I said, it's how many zeros out the front? 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5, 4. So if I count the zeros out the front, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, which is what I've got. And the decimal point started there, and as everything's moved, you could count how many spaces there are. All right.